Hi there, people of the internet. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It is free by hitting the big red subscribe button that is below and notification bell besides. If you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So in today's video is going to be a special one because I'm going to be transforming myself into Asaprocky. For those that don't know, I don't listen to rap. I just know Asaprocky for his Problem song that came out a while back. I don't know any of his other songs, or maybe I know them, but I don't know the one that sang them. But when I do his hairstyle, like when I do the plaits, people always tell me, "Oh, Ukachi, look like Asaprocky, look like Asaprocky." I'm like, so why don't I just transform myself totally into Asaprocky? So without further ado, you know what we do. Let us get right into the video. So I'm going to be using this spray bottle. This contains onion water, garlic water, rice water, and black tea, all in one bottle. And I'm also going to be using this curling cream from Mafrodisiac because I noticed that Asaprocky's ends are usually swirled. Let me check the picture again. Yeah, I'm so sure of that. When his ends are usually swirled. I noticed that his stuff, like his own plaits, are usually box braids and they're usually tight. Hi God, who will help me using these things? So let me just start. I'm not going to be using a rat tail. I'm not using this applicator brush because I really can't find my rat tail comb. So I'm just using this giant mass of hair. Ooh. Okay guys, so right now I am just dividing my hair. I'm sectioning my hair. I set off with like the back of my hair because it's easier for you to work from the back to the front. So I'm just cutting my hair, trying to get my hair sectioned to get the line as straight as possible. So now I divided the first row into 3 because that would like make my braid neater. So I just ended up twisting each part, and now I'm going in with the rinse at the tea mix, rice water, and all the water mix. Yes, and I'm going with the Mafrodisiac curling cream, applying it to my ends, and then I went ahead to just plait. This is not a plaiting tutorial. If you want a plaiting tutorial, please comment #plait in the comment section and I'll get you guys a plaiting tutorial in no time. Right now I'm just trying to make my plait as tight as possible, but like not tight that my scalp will be crying, but just firm. And I'm making the plaits tight on the body. Right now I'll go ahead and apply some more curling cream to my ends so that my ends would always be as curly as his always looks like in pictures. So apply more product to my ends. And I have this too. Then I went ahead to just do the back, and I finished the back the same process. Spritz with water and apply product and then plait. Simple and short. Always ensure you apply product if you feel as if the hair is getting dry or whatever, or you don't feel the curly effect. This is how my hair looks. This is how the back looks. My hair actually looks quite long. And this is, I was done with the second one. This is how the second will look like. It wasn't really like straight, but I tried my best. So now I'm in the front. Asaprocky always has his hair in the center part, and I ensured that I just followed up with his style, center part, box braid. So I just did the same process, split my hair with the water, and I just applied product and started plaiting my hair. My center part was very straight. I ended up finishing the hair off camera. So guys, I am done with the hair. I'm just going to go ahead and change my outfit and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm done. I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it so because my inspiration for the whole thing was Asaprocky. So I'm going to do a photo shoot of myself after this. So this is the final look guys. This is my hair after. I ended up having this hairstyle for at least like 2 or 3 weeks, to be very honest, because I'm lazy. If it gets rough, I'll start wearing wig if I'm going out to get anything. This is the final look. Subscribe to my channel. Check out the final look, like the different pictures I'm going to take on my Instagram at Ukachi. It's going to be up soon, so make sure you're following me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and follow me across all other social media platforms at Ukachi. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.